Chief Paul Nwakodo, De Paul. Anyị kelele gị. Ndị niile echiri echi nọ ebe a, ma ọ bụ High Chief, ma iwu Chief, ma iwu Nze, ma iwu ọzọ, ekelela m unu. Ihe ọjị si n'ala Mbaise, ihe ewe ọjị ndụ, ihe ewe ọjị ahụike, ihe ewe ọjị akụ na ụba, ihe ewe ọjị udo, ihe ewe ọjị ọganihu, ihe ewe ọjị mmekọrịta nwanne na nwanne, ihe ewe ọjị imeghe ụzọ. Anyị na-asị Chineke ya bịa gọzie ọjị ya, gọzie ndị na-akpị ya anya, gọzie ikwu na ibe, gọzie ụmụnne. Anyị na-asị enyekwu ya 90, nyekwu ya 100, nyekwu ya 100 plus. Anyị na onwe anyị nọ here, anyị rukwe 100. Si Chineke nna, anyị kpọrọ ọjị, anyị kpọrọ ndụ, arụla ahụike, arụla akụ na ụba, arụla ọganihu.
Please spread the money so that we can see the kids. Step back in the street. Let them display. The leader, this is Ohio. Wonderful lady. The big masquerade is coming to the floor. Ogunta Trenemo Oma. Ogunta Trenemo. Yes, so. Oh, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. God condemn the weakness. This is God be saying condemn the weakness. The enemies, the senior citizens like what kind of child condemn weakness. Why is the best side the senior citizens? What get a problem in that? Tell me. Calm down. Just calm down. Now, Chief Paul Nwakodo. Johnny Wobu.
Okay. If you, for whatever reason, lately my throat has been very cropped. I don't know why.
Because whatever brandy.
So it's, if you don't hear me loudly and clear, you pardon me, it's not my making. To be honest with you, I don't know where to start. To thank
Dr. Che.
all of you for coming. A couple of years ago, I prayed that I will get to the milestone of 80 years. And if God permits me to get to that milestone, that I will celebrate it. It's not that I'm celebrating it, that God is going to call me tomorrow. But I'm going to celebrate it because it means so much to me in my life. I am somebody who does not hide my age, how old I am. After all, the day I took my sister to Nsukka, I told them that my sister is older than me by 4 years. And everybody marveled at me. And people who were at the meeting then they said, oh, this person who is older than Paul by 4 years and is even stronger than him, that they are very surprised. We were six siblings.
You see Ugumba. And that's why we call him Father. That's why we call him Father. Ugumba represents the ultimate Igbo discipline. He is calm, he is gentle, he speaks with wisdom, he unifies, he unites. Indeed, it's a great honor to celebrate 80 years of this great movement. Ugumba, Biko, Mr. current president is here, all the ex-presidents are here, all the Igbo leaders in this community have gathered here to celebrate you tonight. It is our distinct honor to say, happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday. May God continue to give you strength. May God continue to strengthen you and give you good health as you continue in the journey of the next 20 or 30 years. We wish you well in Jesus' name.
David, they were here because Yes, Ezebo Ure is here. He is a respected member of Unzukombi Sing Atlanta. And David, because like I said earlier, I do not have the requirement to speak about this institution here. And I want you to speak on my behalf. David.
Mr. President, thank you very much. Therefore, we have all gathered here to celebrate you tonight. You are what you are because of this beautiful lady beside you. One and one. Thank you. Please, I'm not going to take too much of your time. I will please request everyone to sit down. No more service for 2 or 3 minutes. Because we're here to celebrate a great man. A man who has touched the life of many of us here. A man, if you are listening to him when he was speaking, he said something like, committee of friends when somebody is dead, that he likes to eat his own while he is alive. And that's why he called us tonight. Yeah. So therefore, many of you know him as Chief Ugumba. I name him as therefore. You know he's a chief, but therefore now.